Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Big day today. I'm going to be electrifying my Outroad 26x4 fat tire bike today. But I wanted to show you the issue that I had with this bike, and this is really why I haven't rode it. When I got this bike put together, straight out the box, the brake pads were rubbing. And I found out where to adjust the brakes at. There's a screw located right around here. Let me stop it right quick. There's a screw right here that you adjust the, where my finger is, where you open up and close up the brakes as the brake pads wear. But I got that bad boy open up all the way, and this is what it still sounds like. I tried to position the rim in different ways to get it stopped from rubbing. I just couldn't do it. So I contacted Outroad, to be honest. I didn't want to put them on blast in this video, so I'm going to give them a little leeway here. I did contact them. They wanted me to send them a video of the problem, but I couldn't compress it under 10 MBs. So I decided, well, I'm just going to go ahead and get a front hub conversion kit for it, because I cannot use this rim. If you look at it, you can see it's really out of true. Listen to it. That's really out of true. I was gonna go on Amazon and order a spoke key. Maybe that's all that is, but it's too late for all that, because I went on Amazon and I ordered a front hub conversion kit from e-Bikeling. It's one of the better front hub kits that you can get on Amazon. A little pricey, but I wanted to upgrade from the Volmar system that I had on the Huffy Hug cruiser bike that I got. That system was a great system, but it was just all power. It didn't have pedal assist. It did have pedal assist. I shouldn't say that. It did have pedal assist. But the only thing with that is, with their pedal assist, you get all the power all at once. You couldn't really regulate it. But this one, you can regulate the pedal assist that you get. I just opened the box a few minutes ago. It's got a 30 amp controller. That's an upgrade. It has a thumb throttle. I'm not a fan of thumb throttles, but maybe we can work our way around that. Twist ties, and here's the screen that I have to put on. It looks like it's not a color display, but sometimes with the color displays, you can't see them in the sun. These type of displays, you can see them in the sun. So it looks like it's basically just plug and play. This is the fat tire rim. It's going to be a long morning, so I'm gonna cut this video short. I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna see if this rim isn't true real quick, because the brakes are gonna rub if it's not true. The only thing I have to do is take the disc brake off. These are 160, I believe. They look 160. They're not big like the 180s. So. But I will say this, the brakes on this bike, even though they're not hydraulic, they stop. They stop on a dime. That's not the problem. I was very impressed with the stopping power of the front and rear brakes. They stop. So that's not an issue. It's just that this rim was just so out of true, out the box. Kind of hard to believe that they would send a rim like that, because it's hard to damage a rim during shipping. So that's a quality control issue. Outroad, you got to straighten that out. But I will give you props for contacting me and getting back at me real quick. But what we're going to do, we're going to put this front hub system on here, conversion kit. So I'll give you another video when it's done, because I'm not going to make a whole video of putting the whole thing on the bike. That'll take forever. So yeah, we're going to cut this video short. We're going to hook this bike up, and we'll see how it goes. All right? It's your boy Dave. I'll be back at you pretty soon, because now the weather's starting to break. So look out for some more videos, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.